Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how you can um add points to your clothing and appearance collection in Heartopia. So these are the points, I guess, and as you have more points, you'll get outfits. I really want to get this dress. It's taken me so long and I haven't really done anything yet to upgrade my points. But basically, if you go to the pet shop and purchase the costumes, you will get points for the clothing and appearance section, as you can see. And I don't know how many points you get for the pet costume, but I feel like that was a lot. So if I go to collection now, I've upped it by a few points just by buying those two. And then you can also see the outfit points that you get from purchasing in the clothing store, so you know how many points you get. So for the sunglasses, you only get 1 point, but you'll get more if it's in another currency. So for wishing stars, you get around 8. And then for this one, I think it was more. It was like 35. It was like 12 points. And you're just gonna want to buy a lot of outfits every single day. I'm losing my voice, so sorry. But you're just going to want to purchase a lot every single day. Clear out the stores. If you have a lot of wishing stars, use that. I don't really want to waste mine, so I only purchase the ones with gold coins most of the time, unless there is something that I really like. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. One more thing I would like to point is you will get even more, I think, if you use your tickets to um get outfits. Let me see if I can find how many points each one costs. Okay, maybe it's not that big difference. It's not a big of a difference. It's 12 points for this. Let me see about this one. It's 10. Yeah, maybe it's not a huge difference. I would just suggest you to to use wishing stars anyways. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.